Thank you, Rusty, for picking me up to church.
Oh, you're welcome, fella.
Because today is the first Sunday of Advent, so I went to church. And my husband bring me to church, and now he came and picked me up.
Happy
Thank you,
to do
Rusty.
that for my beautiful wife, Pelly.
Thank you, Rusty.
You're welcome, Pelly.
Now we are going
to Home Goods. We get some Christmas things.
Christmas decor.
Yes, today's the first day of December.
And
Okay.
have a blessed December ahead of you, anywhere you are. We love you from Rusty and Fally. Advance Merry Christmas. I love you, Rusty. Say advance Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Hooray.
Merry Christmas.
Hooray.
Hooray for Christmas.
Yes, indeed. Thank you. Have a blessed Sunday.
Yes.
First Sunday of Advent.
Yes.
That's my husband. Very handsome.
Uh-huh.
I love you, Rusty.
Hi, everybody.